Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're just starting out as a creator, or maybe you just want to do something on the internet, I think one of the biggest problems that I think all of us face is, where do you start? Now, what I've learned throughout this process is I don't focus on where do I start. I focus first on where do I want to finish. And let me explain what that means. So if you kind of have an idea of where you want to finish or the end goal, then you could work backwards. Whereas if you just start with at the beginning and you're kind of learning what you need to do next, it's much more difficult because you really don't have a direction of where you need to go. So once you think of first, where do you want to finish, your end goal, and then you start working backwards, the next problem you're probably going to face is, well, how do I go about it? What is the process? And the easiest way that you could do that is look at somebody else who is already successful or already finished that goal that you want to finish, and at the same time they have had consistent success in it. Now, I have done a video about this a long time ago where I was talking about one of my big dreams was to actually work on the internet, and I, like yourself, really did not know where to start. I didn't know what I should learn, what I shouldn't learn. All of those things went through my mind, and it was really challenging. But whenever I thought about, like, well, this is where I want to be, and then I kind of found some people on YouTube that have achieved those things I want, it was much easier because they've already laid out a path, and they've already been through a lot of the things that I would probably go through myself. And that's how I was able to at least reach that particular dream of working on the internet, because I found an end goal, I found somebody who's actually already done it, and then I worked backwards and followed a lot of the steps that they went through. And then later on, as I'm progressing, as I'm going along, I'm following these people who are already, successful in these areas. And then after a while, you start, creating your own processes, your own steps of reaching your goals. And then you just repeat that over and over for the very next goals that you want to achieve. And so those are my thoughts on where to start, where you could really focus on where do you want to finish, and it's going to make things a lot easier. So if you had any thoughts on this, whether you are just beginning or maybe you are already gone through this whole process and then doing it again and again like I am, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.